Hey guys, welcome to DelfStack. This is how to download file from Google Chrome while not allowed. So guys, if a download on your Chrome is being blocked, what you could try to do is just simply change some settings. So to do this, you just simply go to your Google Chrome and now over here, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now over here, you would just simply go ahead and go to the settings on your Google Chrome. Now, over here, you could just simply go for privacy and security, guys, on the left side of the screen. Now, over here, you will have an option security. You could just simply go ahead and click on this. Now, over here, you will have the category safe browsing. So you will have enhanced protection, which will real time protect you against dangerous site, and you will have the standard protection as well. And if you don't want any block on your download, you just simply select no protection. But as you can see, this is not recommended by the Google Chrome because this will not protect you against dangerous website download and extensions, and it may affect your PC if you select no protection. So, guys, just simply proceed with caution and just simply understand that you know what you are doing before to select these changes. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.